guys, welcome back to my channel. What we're going to be doing today is I decided that I wanted to make a little farmhouse, really style my little farmhouse birdcage that I hauled quite a while ago from Hobby Lobby when they had that really deep clearance. So let me show you what I'm going to be using for the project, okay? So if you want to do this, you just need some kind of little birdhouse. This one opens up, and many of you will remember when I hauled it from Hobby Lobby on that deep clearance, and it was $9.99, and I loved it. Normally I paint my like galvanized items, but I really do like how this one looks, so I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not even going to paint it, okay? Then, if you want to do something like this, you're going to need some a bird eggs in a nest. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I don't remember how much it was. It was on sale, and I've had it quite a while, okay? Then you're going to need a flower from the Dollar Tree. I've had these for a while. I had them since last year, actually, because they were actually the fall collection, but I think they're so pretty, and I think it works right now. Down here it is so hot. Our heat index has been well over 111 every day, and it's miserable, okay? So then I have two of these, and I got these at Old Time Pottery, and I've had these quite a while, and I don't think they were very much, but I don't know, since I've had them probably 4 months or longer. Then I did get this at Hobby Lobby, one of these little green things, and it was $6.99, but when I bought it, it was 50% off, okay? And then you'll just need a candle, and I'm gonna use my Luminara candle that I hauled a bunch of these last fall at Joann's when they had a big clearance on them, and I got them for practically nothing. So you'll need some sort of candle, okay? So, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut my tags off, and then I'll flip the camera down and we will style this birdcage. Okay, all I'm going to do is open up my birdcage. This is going to be so easy. And I'm going to take some of this greenery, and I just kind of bent it like this. I forget what this is called. It almost reminds me of, I can't think of the name of it. It's comes in different colors. It smells really good. You can dry eucalyptus. It almost reminds me of eucalyptus. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be or not. And I'm just gonna tuck it in right in there like that on this side. And then tuck this one in right there like that. Kind of like taking care of the sides. Then I'm just going to split this and put it right down in here because my candle is pretty large, okay? This is going to be about the easiest DIY I've ever done. I'm gonna flip my candle on. I just love these Luminara candles, okay? I'm gonna set it right in the center, just like that. Let this greenery kind of wrap around it. Now all I'm going to do is take this Dollar Tree flower. If you wanted, you could have a more summer flower. I'm just really, I don't know. I think I'm looking forward to cooler temperatures, but it goes very nicely with the eggs, okay? And then I'm just gonna put this nest in here like that, and that is all you have to do. And then I'm just gonna close my little bird cage. Okay, and I'll give you a view up close in just a minute. Okay, here it is. This is such an adorable way to style your bird cage. It looks so pretty with the eggs, and then those flowers, and then all that little greenery back in there. I just think it looks really pretty. And you could pull the greenery up a little bit more if you wanted, like right in here, kind of fan it out more. But I love it. I think it looks so pretty. But I just wanted to hop on here and show you that you can style something that you've purchased that was very inexpensive and make it look so pretty. And I think it definitely has that farmhouse feel. And I think this would even work French country, to be honest, because a lot of that, they're different, but they're very interchangeable. And I think it would even go Tuscan. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys. Okay guys, I thought I'd hop on here real quick. I moved my hen that I normally have on my sofa table and my little topiary off of that book that I DIY from the Dollar Tree, and I just thought I'd set that right there to kind of give you a quick little view of how it's going to look. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I really do think that is so pretty, and I went ahead and spread out that greenery more in the back because it was bugging me. I really like it like this. But like I said, I just wanted to hop on and show you real quickly what it looks like in a setting. I don't think I'm going to leave it here, but it does look really pretty. So like I said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.